Hello and welcome to the sixth video on our series on the real business cycle model. This is by far the shortest video and it pertains to the role of government in our model. Even though the role of government is going to be very important for us to understand events that start from government decisions, its description is rather simple. So our government has no maximization and no objective. It only functions. What we want is to take the actions of the government as exogenous so that we can later arbitrarily change them. Thinking, what if the government were to issue more debt? What if the government were to increase taxes or reduce government spending? All those what ifs are exactly the type of shocks or events we're interested in. So, what the government needs to do to function is to balance its budget. There is a present budget constraint and a future budget constraint. In the present budget constraint, we're balancing government expenditures G that have to be financed either with present taxes or with debt. This B is going to be government bonds. It's going to be the debt of the government. In the second period, the future budget constraint, we're going to have as income the income from future taxes. We're going to have to finance future government expenditure, and we have to repay that debt, this B. Now bear in mind that B need not be positive. If B is negative, it is actually government savings. That means that in the present period, government expenditure is lower than present taxes. Whatever surplus is saved in B, and then if B is negative, that means that this is going to be actually an income of the government in the next period. We can, the same way as we did for the consumer, we can join the constraints into the present value budget constraint of the government. If the government is free to borrow or save as will, if there are no restrictions over B, then we can just merge these two equations. Then we get the present value of spending, government spending today, plus the present discounted value of government spending tomorrow, has to be equal to the present discounted value of all taxes. Okay, with this we finish this video, and in the next video we're going to finally start talking about the equilibrium of the model. Thanks.